and waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland and the Little Choptank River, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, until 8:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, 6 nautical miles northwest of North Beach, moving east at 30 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Mayo, Thomas Point Light, Bloody Point Lighthouse, Poplar Island, Tilghman Island, Black Walnut Point, Eastern Bay, Miles River. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sterling,